Hello everyone. Today we will start a new topic of fire detection. Fire detection by using YOLO models inside the deep learning and machine learning. See the picture of fire. There are different types of fire where occurs. See the pictures of fire. Okay. Before this, I will show you how we built an application for this model, so you can come to know our model how it look like. Okay. Now I will open the application page. See the home page for the application, how it look like. YOLO fire detection system. Welcome to the fire detection app. This project leverages advanced computer vision with YOLO 5 to automatically detect and classify fire detection in real time from a live camera feed. Means it will switch into the camera mode and it will detect the image and it will announce the result as a voice announcement. Okay. A modern fire detection system uses computer vision and deep learning techniques for real-time fire identification from video feeds or images. Okay, let's see. Go to detection. By clicking on it, it will go in. It will go inside the detection page. Okay. See this is the detection page. Live detection of the fire means there are two icons. One is start detection, another one is stop detection. By clicking on start detection, it will automatically run the program and it will detect the image and it will announce the output as a result. Okay, let's see. This is the program how it will run in the command. Okay, let's start this. Okay, I will show an image of the fire. It will detect and it will announce the result. Okay, let's see if our program is running or not. Yes, it's running. See, okay, see, yeah, it's detected the fire and it's announcing the result. Okay, yes, see, it's detected. Okay, okay, no, stop it. Now let's will explain in briefly about this project and everything inside this. Okay, before that we took two research paper for this model, so we can come to know how research we did a research for this model. They look like one is fire detection alarm system using deep learning. How it look like this one. Okay, and another one is okay. Another one is see another one is this research on image fire detection based on support vector machine. Okay, see how it look like. Okay, inside this how what content is how they are given. Okay, now by considering this both research papers, I will explain some comparison. Okay, then you can come to know how it is how they are. Okay, let's see. Okay, fire detection model comparison. Okay, by comparing with these two research paper. Okay, opening up image on a imagine a fire detection system so accurate it can tell flames from a sunset. Today we are diving into two powerful approaches to fire detection, one driven by deep learning, the other one by classical machine learning. Okay, section 1, the models. First, the conventional neural network, that's CNN, a deep learning model that automatically learns to detect fire from images using layered features extraction. In contrast, the support vector machine or SVM relies on manually engineered features like flame, color, and textures. Second one, dataset dataset they used. Okay, the CNN model was trained on a rich dataset of 3730 images, half showing fire, half showing non-fire scenarios, and tested on 760 additional images. The SVM model, on the other hand, was trained on a smaller set of 1500 images sourced from the internet, researchers labs, and field recordings. Okay, comparison of classification approaches. Both models perform binary classification, fire or non-fire. But while CNN learns these features from raw pixels, SVM depends on color rules, texture contrast, and motion detection. Now coming to pro, pre-processing techniques used inside these two research papers. For the CNN, pre-processing include data augmentation, rotation, flipping, and zooming images, plus training stabilizers like early stopping and learning rate reduction. The SVM used a more manual processes. Segmentation frames regions, extracting RGB and texture features, and resampling motions region from video frames. Accuracy and loss inside these two research paper. Okay, the result, CNN leads with the accuracy of 93%, 93.18 percentage, significantly outperforming SUM, which achieved 83%. CNN also assured a smooth drop in loss and excellent recall and AUC scores, making it ideal for real-time fire alerts. SUM did well, but it's limited by the quality of handcrafted features. So, whether you are designing a smart surveillance system or automating emergency alerts, choosing the right model could be the difference between false alarm and saved lives. Deeper learning is clearly setting the new standard for fire detection. Okay, let's see how the research paper look like. Okay, this one is first one. See, research on a image fire detection based on support vector machine. See how it look like. They give an introduction and also the determination of suspected fire areas. Let's see how they are given segmentation effect image and original image, segmented image. See how this they created and the research paper. See this and they detected the like this how they detected. Okay, the calculation they also did. This is the real time fire occurs. Okay, and now see this frames also they have created. Okay, now coming to the fire detection program interface. See how they did, and this is the flow chart for the fire detection. Okay, and this is the test result table, samples type. Okay, table 1 frames, positive sample 200 they collected, negative sample 100 collected, total 300, and correction result 83% they got. Okay, now going to another one research paper, how it look like. Another one research paper, let's see. Fire detection alarm system using deep learning. They give an introduction, literature review, and the methodology followed for proposed model. See, data collection, exploratory data analysis, data augmentation, then preparing the model, checking for classification report. See, NNSVG AlexNet topology for neural network. See how they did research and data collection. They did the layer of conversion, layer of collection, FCU layer, everything they have mentioned. See the images of the fire, and this is the comparison of model in terms of accuracy. See the accuracy difference model graph of this. Okay, now this table experiment result, method and accuracy. Legislative regression 73.75, KNN 76.34 percentage, Ada boost 82.80% and CNN 93.18% they got. Okay, the graph of comparison, accuracy, epoxes, everything they have given. And okay, that's all. Now these are the two research papers we have collected from the internet. Okay, now coming to the importance of the fire in day-to-day life. Okay, we'll explain something about that importance of the fire detection in day-to-day life. Okay, early warning saves lives. Fire detection system like smoke detects and alarm provides early alerts helping people evacuate 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 safety before flames spread. Okay, especially critical at night or in large buildings where a fire may go unnoticed. Reduced property damages. Quick detection enables faster emergency response, limiting the fire's damage to homes, offices, factories, and public places. Reduces the cost of repairs, insurance claims, and business downtime. And support emergency services. Integrated fire detection system often notify fire department automatically, reducing response time and improving outcomes. Vital for industrial safety. In factories, refineries, and power plants, fire detection helps prevent large scale disasters, including explosive or toxic releases. Essential in smart cities and IoT. Modern fire detection systems use AI, IoT, and real time surveillance to monitor remote locations faster and unmanned facilities, enhancing safety even in isolated areas. Legal and insurance compliance. Many buildings are legally required to have fire detection system. Compliance improves insurance eligibility and reduces liability in case of incidents. Environment pollution protection. Forest fire detection system helps control wildfires early, protecting ecosystem, wildlife, and air quality. Peace and mind. Knowing that a reliable fire detection system is in place reduces anxiety at home and work. Okay, these are the importance of the fire detection by using deep learning and machine learning. Okay, then we'll build an model for this. I'll show you code for this model how we did like this. See the train path, validate path, test part we did, and calculation, and we did running our data augmentation, image processing, data balancing, and pre-processing of the image, and proposed system of this, and also validation of the data set and saving of the data set. Everything we did in this model. Okay, see the graph of this model. 1600 images we took. Okay, and this is the outlook of the images, how they look, fire detection, how they detected images of this. Okay, now coming to the YOLO part. Also inside this epoxes we did and epoxes also. See this epoxes, 100 epoxes we did. Early we got an precision of 0.821 and recall of 0.805, MAP 50 of 0.869, and final we got a result of, I will show you. We did that in 9900 epoxes for this. See this 100 result. See this 99. Okay, precision of 0.856 and recall of 0.846 and MAP 50 of 0.905. Like this we got a result. Okay. Oh, okay. Now coming to the YOLO part. See this YOLO. Okay, fire YOLO 5. How they got the codes and everything we will share here. Utilities, segmentation runs, models, data, classify, GitHub, Git, files, everything is there inside this. Okay, this is the code for this model, and application I will show you once again. Already I have showed in early, first only. Let's see another one times. Okay, you can come to know our model how it look like. See this. See, welcome to the fire detection app. This project leverages advanced computer vision with YOLO 5 to automatically detect and classify that fire detection in real time from a live camera feed. Modern fire detection system use computer vision and deep learning techniques for real time for fire identification from video feeds or images. Okay, let's see. Go to detection. See this this page will open inside this. Then we will see the one image of the fire. Then it will detect and it will announce the result. So let's see start this. Before starting we'll see the how program is running or not. Yeah, it's running the program backend. Okay, let's detect this fire. Okay, click it on. Okay, I will show one image of the fire, then it will detect it by analyzing the image, and it will detect the and it will announce the result. Yeah, background is running. Yeah, it's detected. See this, it's detected. Okay, okay, stop it. See this how our model have we built by taking a real lifetime incidents, and it will capture the image, and it will detect the fire, and it will announce the result as a output. Okay, thank you for watching my video guys. If you have any doubts regarding this model, you can contact us through our WhatsApp number which I have given inside the our YouTube channel. And also please guys, like, share and subscribe our channel. Guys, if you like, if you are interested towards our model and project, you can contact us and we will share everything whatever you need. We will help you guys. Okay, thank you for watching my video.